yeah, you have seen many patients, you have been in Bangalore Medical College, you have seen. So what are your general or tips for people to manage their skin, hair and their personality overall look?
Okay, fine. Starting with the hair. Well, if you're using a shampoo, please use a conditioner, because one of them is acidic, one of them is basic, so they neutralize each other. So start using conditioner. There's a myth that using conditioners makes hair fall. So that's just because a conditioner it kind of lubricates the hair, and when we are washing, we just see more hair falling off. That's all it is. It's the hair that's already fallen off. So use a conditioner. That's for the hair. And if you're using hair dryers, use them with a cold setting. Otherwise, that will cause shedding of the hair. That's for the hair. What do you do for the skin? Well, it's very important to use sunscreens. There are different kinds of sunscreens. We have gels, lotions, we have silicone-based sunscreens. Whatever works for you, please use a sunscreen. There is a need to know that a sunscreen must be used even when we are indoors. Because there's a lot of reflected sunlight, there's a lot of artificial light that our skin needs protection from. What does this light do? It causes pigmentation of the skin. It also causes photoaging, which means it also causes wrinkling of the skin. So wear a sunscreen even at home. And how frequently should one apply a sunscreen every day, and how much? Well, 1 fingertip unit or 1 inch is the amount of sunscreen that must be applied to the face. And usually sunscreens, unless mentioned otherwise, will have an effect that will last only for about 2.5 to 3 hours. So sunscreens have to be applied every 3 hours during the day. Does wearing sunscreens and then going out in the sun protect you from sunlight? No, it does not. Sunscreen will only protect you from indirect sunlight. If you want to be protected from direct sunlight while wearing a sunscreen, it has to be worn like the way the cricketers wear, the thick paste all around the face. That's impractical. You use an umbrella, wear a sunscreen. What else can be done for the skin? Well, use a moisturizer. If you're above the age of 25, at least once a day is good. If you feel your skin is drying up by evening, even after having used a moisturizer during the day, anywhere between 2 to 3 times of moisturization every day is good. What kind of a moisturizer can one use? Well, any moisturizer that is paraben-free and fragrance-free is good, because parabens and fragrance can cause allergies. And with respect to the nails, don't trim the nails too close to the skin. Leave a little gap. Why should not one do that? Well, doing it too close to the skin allows one to develop a few infections, especially warts develop that way. And also, I was talking about ingrown toenails. So it's very important to not clip the toenails very close to the skin. Leave some nail beyond the skin, because when the nail tries to grow back after having been clipped too close to the skin, can result in ingrown toenails. Apart from that, of course, drink lots of water, eat food that is rich in proteins, and of course, all the vitamins.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.